Hi guys, so I know I've been gone for so long. I mean, I've just been busy and I've been taking some breaks. What the heck? Yeah, I just went on a little break because having to deal with poem my lyric and just launching different aspects of my company, and I need a new lens for my camera. I wanted my skin to be clear by the time I make my next YouTube video, and I just figured I don't want to wait any longer, so I'm just going to be doing a Snapchat Q&A video for you guys. I'm just going into my Snapchat right now. My Snapchat is Lyric Rochester, and yeah, I've never done one of these videos before, so I just figured I'll come back with a video like this. So it says tap to load. Okay. How has it been so far for a first time mom? Oh, and it just went so fast. For a first time mother, it has been okay. In the first part when I just had him, it was difficult for me because, you know, I did have some nights where I couldn't fall asleep because he was always up. I don't know if it's going to be TMI, but breastfeeding, it hurt a lot. I got a lot of soreness. And I didn't know what to do. He was so small, I was so new, he was so fragile. So first time mom, it was a little bit difficult. So I keep looking that way because he's sleeping, so I keep on looking to see if he's okay. So that one was by Tony Tricks. This one is by Queen_Sharima. It says swipe right to chat. I don't know, hold on, what I want to I don't understand. Tap to load. Alright, so Ami Wrinkle said,
my question for you is, who's your biggest inspiration and why?
oh, who is my biggest inspiration and why? Who is my biggest inspiration and why? Oh, that's a good question. Who? Hold on, I have to pause the video. I don't have a specific who, simply because so many women inspire me. Jazzy Jujubee inspire me. Marlene A. Mon inspire me. Shanna from I Am All Dolled Up Cosmetics, I believe, she inspires me. So many people inspire me, and it's just because, and it's mostly women who've started their own business, who are being successful at what they do. Different people inspire me for different things, but yeah, I can't really say one person. Do you hear that music? I can't really say just one person inspire me. It's more than one person who inspire me. So Ami Wrinkles, Miracles. Oh, she follows me on Periscope. Shout out, boo. Oh, I should probably Snapchat you back. Press on hold to reply. How do I reply? Oh, replay.
My question for you is, who's your biggest inspiration and why?
How do I double tap to reply? Okay. Right, let me take one picture. Oh, that's so long. Hold on. Miracles, that's a really good question. You follow me on Periscope. Shout out to you, boo. And I'm being here. I'm answering the question. No, I already answered the question already. So thanks for asking me, Miracles. I love you. That's a really good question. You follow me on Periscope. Shout out to you, boo. Okay, so let's see the rest of these things. Hold on. I see I'm fairly kind of newish to Snapchat, so oh, there's so many questions. Let me just hurry up and go through this. So this is by Hi Bakiro Lux Ox1. Your makeup journey and when you start. Your makeup journey and when you start. My makeup, I know you're hearing that music. Alright guys, so we're at Queen_Sharima, I think. Oh no, hold on. No, I forgot where we were. I forgot. Okay, so tap to load. So I'm going to open Hearted 61's Snap. And it says, how do you keep a relationship strong with God and the hobby? Let me tell you, and it's something that you have to learn. Well, I'm a Christian, so the only thing I can tell you is from a Christian's perspective, everything that happens, I commit it to God, everything. And I know it sounds kind of corny and kind of religious, or oh, that's the obvious answer, but it's the truth. Like, if there's an issue or anything, I always take it to God. If there is something good that's happening, I'm learning how to thank God in the good times, because we tend to talk to God when something negative is happening, and not necessarily when everything is going good and everything is going how it's supposed to. We tend to cling to Him and to draw from Him when we're our saddest or depressed, if I don't know, and when we're basically at our worst. So that's how I do it. And so by talking to God, me and God relationship, it started out. You know, there was a season I went through where I couldn't speak to God, and I was very, very upset with Him, and I couldn't talk to Him, and He understood. He didn't kill me in my sleep saying you don't deserve to wake up. He didn't say, you know what, I'm going to pull my belly, crash and burn. He didn't. He understood, because God knows where my heart is. And the Bible says, where your heart is, there your treasure is also. And my heart is with God. And God, He has everything. I commit everything to Him. Everything to Him. That's like my home skillet. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Sure. Okay. So that was a really good one. So thank you. I keep on saying CCM, and I'm like, really, Candice? I'm so come to you. Alright, so Lady MZWSR. Guys, what's up with these names though?
What do you use to get your teeth so white?
Ooh, what do you use to get your teeth so white? Guys, please tell Lady. Tell her. Let me just snap her right now. Oh no, Snapchat did not. I have to pay for replies. That's wrong. That's wrong. Press and hold to replay. I don't want to replay. I want to reply. I hope this is going to be sent to her. Boo! I use SmileBright. What you saying? Smilebright.com. Use my discount code SMILE61, or SmileBright.info. Use my discount code SMILE61. What?
Ooh, I use SmileBright. What you saying?
So yeah, I use Smile. You guys know I always use Smile, and because you guys know, like, I brush my teeth, duh, which is like the obvious way to get them white, but to get them white, of course I use Smile Bright. Like, what else am I going to use? Ronnie send me Snapchat to have not a thing I do. You and our Candies. Alright, so I think I tap to load. Then
hey Lyric, I just wanted to ask, what's it been like since you had your son, and yeah, being a mommy and stuff like that?
Hey, Shana Gay Miller. Okay, so as I said before, I've been adjusting, because you can read as much self-help books as you want. You can go on as many websites as you want, but nothing prepares you for motherhood than experience. Nothing. When he has hiccups, you can look up all over the internet, but nothing prepares you like an experience. So it has been really, really good. Really, 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 really good. I really enjoy feeding him, because that's like my best part. I can just hold him, and oh, I love it. I love it. Can you imagine him grow up one time? But I love it. 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 Okay, so this is by Larry's776. Tap to load.
Oh, Larry, you teasing us. You know we want to see your precious baby boy. I'm thinking of questions for you.
But I told you guys, we're not really comfortable with having his picture out there now on social media, by comfortable with me and my husband. So if it is that it becomes okay and we're comfortable, then of course we'll share. But other than that, it's just, oh my god, it's just a baby. Like, I had no idea seeing someone's child was that important to other people. It's crazy. They want to question, when are you? Why are you? You're being selfish. I'm like, But we did not labor together, honey. I'm not being selfish. You're being very rude and very, very fast. In Jamaica, fast mean inquisitive, like extra inquisitive. So when we're comfortable, who is this? What's my boo's name? Larry's will definitely share. Okay, so I don't know if I should be tapping. I'm seeing some in blue. And I don't know if I should be tapping those, because when I tap it, it says swipe right to chat. I don't know why I would need to swipe right to chat. Anyway, so that means that everybody own magazine. I don't understand. So I am musicology there, and I can't tap it for load it. So around we can't even read the thing, doggies. I don't know, it just stress me. I don't know. Alright, so now I'm going to be reading, I'm going to be opening, where's my girl? Be True 24. Hi Lyric. Oh, she's so adorable. So I know her personally. I did her makeup I think a year ago or no, 2 years ago up by Yui, and we were in her dorm, and she's just an amazing girl. I love her and I always support her. Her Snapchat name is Be True, B as in BEU, then TRUE 24. Star Girl Fang, big up herself. Woody Messiah, she's on my Facebook. Messiah going. Alright, so
Hey Lyric, I want to ask a question. I want to ask how you keep your makeup from smudging on your clothes.
ooh, did you hear that Whitney Houston though? I wanna dance with somebody. Ooh, how do I keep my makeup from smudging? Okay. No, I live in Jamaica and people always want to know tips and tricks for makeup in hot weather. Honey, I'm a cake face at heart and I live in Jamaica, and because I have a lot of hyper, you can see the bumps on my face. No, for the past week, like last week to now where I'm now filming this, my skin has been doing so good, so good. The bumps are going away, the scabs on my face is going away, and I'm going to have an updated routine. Plus I have a big thing that I'll share with you guys that has to do with my skin, but not yet. How do I keep my makeup from smudging? Honestly, and this is going to probably sound stupid, but my makeup does not smudge until I'm ready to take it off in the night or when I'm done with the day. Mainly because I take care of my face when I go out. I hug people the correct way, because you know there's a makeup hug. You're like, hey girl, hey, yes, yes. You know, I have to get away your face as far away from their body as possible. And whenever I'm holding my baby, I hold him like on this side, I move my face away from him. I take care of my face when I go out. I have to. This is the money makeup. This is the cha-ching. But no, yeah, I did that. I stopped using setting sprays, and guys, I have a horrible confession. I stopped using primers about 2 months now, 3 months, and I'm trying to get into using it, and I keep forgetting to use it. I don't know, but I have not been wearing primers at all. I've just been keeping my skin very, very moisturized. Even though it's hot in Jamaica, I really keep my skin moisturized, and that's just all I do. I'm a cake face at heart. I take care of my face when I go out, so like I don't just go and rub up on people. And yeah, I guess, yeah. Sexy Gal Navy, ooh, the name there, up. Hi Lyric. Oh, she just literally said hi Lyric. Let me tell her hi. Hold on. Double tap. Oh, fun something there. Hi boo. Hi boo. Okay. Lovey girl. Oh, what if it's my boo? It's not telling me to tap. Is it swipe right to chat?
Well, hello, Miss Rochester. How do you do? Why you have my pending salam? Come on, admin, snap me. So we get big. I'll show my face. But my snap question to you is, when you come back to foreign, is it ugly? The struggle.
Shelly, the whole of your face just show. I have to tell her, I have to say, no, goody, the whole of your face just so. And goody, due to all the whole of your face just show like up on my YouTube. See there? See there? Flim me a flim. You see her? Flim me a flim. The whole of just show like goody. Well, if you follow me on Periscope, you know that I still have to talk to my husband about that, but I've been getting requests to come to Barbados, to Bahamas, to New York, Bronx. Oh, just be patient with me. May I try. My whole parties, my juggling the goods. Whole parties, my juggle. Hold on. Tap to load. This says Dr. I don't know. Doctor, I don't know what this is. I don't know. Oh my god, it's like a troll. It's literally nothing. It's literally nothing. It's like King Duaya.
Hey Lyric, how do you feel that the baby is born? He's healthy, you're healthy, and God is good and everything. So how do you feel about having the baby and he's healthy?
Okay, let me tell that backstory on me and King. King is a very good friend of mine's son. I don't know if you know What the choir name again? Oh my God. Oh Lord, the choir. Power? Oh, is that P name? I can't remember, but she Visions, put more Visions, right? I hope that's the choir. But she's either the director or directed the choir, and that's how I know her, you know, from the whole music thing. And she keeps on telling me that, you know, her son really, you know, likes like my music and stuff. I'm like, okay, sure. And I met him one time, and he was like, Auntie Simone. I was like, oh my precious child. So like we have a history, we have each other on Facebook, but I feel relieved. And I guess he's talking about the fact, because you guys, this video is long, but yeah, I feel relieved that, you know, we're both healthy, because if I go through, let me tell you something, having a child is nothing like what the movies tell you. It is worse. It just the mental toll it takes on you, the physical toll that it takes on you. It's just it's horrible. And then again the extra weight, and your balance is off, like your center of gravity shifts. Like when I get up, I feel like I'm falling over. There's definitely times when I feel like, oh my God, something bad will happen. And I want to say, King, that I'm relieved that God kept us, because so many things could have gone wrong, but God kept us. God is why, like, grace is sufficient. Literally my life. Grace is sufficient for you. Literally my life. I'm just grateful that we're both healthy. CCM Candy is not enough, but it's some foolishness. Oh my God, Jesus, I love you. And here I am thinking it was gonna be crap. I love you too. I love you too. Candice, did you open my Snapchat on YouTube? I'm thinking that's some fat to me, but it's so romantic. Thanks. Love you too, boo. Candice, did you open my Snapchat on YouTube? I'm thinking that's some fat to me. I heard this video is all over the place, I feel. Okay, what is next? I'm going to show you guys on my tab. I don't know how to tap it. Finally got my brushes. Oh my God. You guys should go get yours. It's foamy by Larry. Oh my God. That promo though. In Paradise makeup brushes. Y'all should go get yours. That promo though, wow, thank you, Snooki. And I have to shout out Snooki. Snooki always likes each and every picture that Poem by Rick posts. I mean, without she no miss a beat. She no miss a beat. So big up yourself, good. I'm so glad that you got them. The copy boy. The question is, why are you not following me on Snapchat? Why? You know, I don't think that's Leron, and Leron is my graphic designer. I don't think he knows that I'm doing a YouTube question and answer, even though I said it, but I'm gonna follow him. Let me see if I can. How do I go on it to follow him? Hold on. Oh, okay, I'm gonna have to follow him after, because I don't know how to follow them. Oh, okay, I guess I'm done. Yay, I'm done. Thank you guys so much for sitting through this with me, opening my snaps. This was a fun video. I like this video. It's a fun little video. It's a fun little video to shoot for you guys. I'll have to see what these mean. Let me show you. Like, some of them just have, I'm going to zoom in when I'm editing. So some of these have like the blues and the reds, and I don't, it just says swipe right to chat. And I don't, why would I need to swipe right?
Oh my God, I'm gonna tell you, don't do that. You better edit that part out.
Okay, so my friend that says don't put my on YouTube, I was like, I did, and she's like, girl, you must be tripping. So swipe right to chat, but I don't see anything on. I don't understand Snapchat at all. Hi guys, I just filmed my question and answer Snapchat video, so I'm going to be editing it now. Look out for it in a couple of days, hopefully, because I have a lot of editing to do. So guys, I just filmed my question and answer Snapchat videos, so I'm going to thank you for following me on Snapchat. Those of you who have already, thank you for the questions. I really appreciate them. Nothing too intrusive, nothing too embarrassing, and yeah, thank you for the support and the love. Is just showing. Thank you for the support and the love, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.